Alright, y'all. We're looking under the hood of this OBS. Got some issues that need addressing. It needs to be cleaned up some. But we're going to see if we can get it looking a little better. We're going to replace that overflow cap too. See if we can get it looking a little cleaner up under here. Y'all stand by with us. We got it all sprayed down with some of this cleaner. We're going to spray another couple of places. Just spray this stuff real liberally. And we're going to try to spray it out with the water hose. Get some of this dust and stuff out of here. Some of this grease build up too. And just see if we can tidy up this engine bay. I don't know exactly how long we're going to spend working on it. I may get a brush and get some of these places that's harder to get to. You want to make sure all your surfaces are sprayed down really well. And try not to spray directly on any electronics. All right, y'all, we got it looking a little better. I used a magic eraser on the coolant overflow and the windshield washer container. That seemed to work really good. I still got a lot of dust under here. Got some spots that need some more attention. Right down there, you see some grease build up and a bug. And there's some duct tape residue that I've got to get off. Alternator still looks kind of rough. Valve covers. We still got some cleaning to do on it. Maybe even some painting. But it's coming clean. And try to use a tip from Chris Fix on some of these caps and try to restore them a little bit. Make them a little more legible. Oil cap. Stuff like that. We'll let y'all know how that goes. Got under the hood, cleaned up a little bit. Added a couple little details. Just make it a little different. We're gonna see if we can get it cleaned up a little more later. But at least we know most of it will come off. I still got some duct tape I gotta get off and a bunch of grease on the valve covers and stuff. But y'all check out my other videos. Like, comment, subscribe, you know. Interact with me some. And I'll see y'all at the next car show.